Next, exercise 4.2. First question. Construct a quadrilateral LIFT and some values are given. The first step what we are going to do is draw a rough diagram like this. How that will be exactly we don't know, but we will draw a rough diagram LIFT and the values given. Li equal to 4 centimeters, IF equal to 3 centimeters, TL equal to 2.5 centimeters, LF equal to 4.5. LF, this diagonal is 4.5 and IT equal to 4 centimeters. This diagonal is 4 centimeters. This is 4.5, this is 4. Now, first observe this. We know this diagonal and this triangle is first easy to draw. So first let us draw this triangle. FL, let us make it as FL as a base. FL like this. FL we have done. So from F3, from L4. So from F, draw an arc for 3 centimeters. From L, draw an arc 4 centimeters. 4 centimeters. From this 3 centimeters, join this. This will be 4 centimeters and this will be I. This part is over. Then next, from L 2.5 centimeters. So from L, draw an arc for 2.5 centimeters. From I, it is 4 centimeters. So from I, draw an arc 4 centimeters and join them. So this will be 4 centimeters. What is this length? FL. We have taken FL as 4.5 centimeters. This is, and this is T, and from L to T, this is 2.5 centimeters. This one. So this is the required diagram. So what we are going to do is first draw a rough diagram, then draw one triangle, which is easy. Like in this case, let us take this one and this. This is very easy to draw. After that, this point we need to know. To achieve this point, we have two values. That is from L, this one, from I, this value. So make two arcs, we will get the intersection point. We can join them to get the value of T. So we will get T. Next, rhombus. Let us draw a rough diagram first. It says that is BEND. BEND. And the values given are BN equal to 5.6. This BN equal to 5.6 centimeters. And DE equal to 6.5 centimeters. Okay, now we have to draw this rhombus. Simple. First, let us draw this DE with the length 6.5 centimeters. First, we will draw a horizontal line with 6.5 centimeters. Next, we know the property in rhombus, that is diagonals are perpendicular bisectors. That is, they are perpendicular to each other and they bisect each other. Perpendicular means 90 degrees and bisect means this is 5.6. So that means this length and this length will be same. That is, this is 2.8, this is 2.8. Similarly, this is 6.5. So these two sides will be exactly equal. Now, using that formula or property, we will draw this quadrilateral. Now, this line we need to draw. So this point will be exactly middle. So this is totally 6.5 centimeters. So what will be the half of 6.5? That is 3.25 centimeters. So from here to here, take 3.25 and put a dot. Or we have a method by which we can draw perpendicular bisector. That is, with any length draw one arc here, from the same length draw another arc, with the same length draw one arc, and with the same length draw another arc, and join these 2 points. This will be the perpendicular bisector. We can draw like this, or we can measure off of it, put a point and draw a 90 degrees line. Either way it is okay. So we got this line. Now this is 5.6. Total this is 5.6. So what will be the half of it? 5.6 divided by 2, that is 2.8 centimeters. So from here take compass and cut it with 2.8 centimeters here, 2.8 centimeters here. Simple. This is 2.8, this is 2.8. So the total will be 5.6. Then join these two. Simple. Join these 2 points. We will get a required rhombus. This is N and this is B, and this length will be 5.6 because we have taken this 2.8 and this as 2.8, so it will be 5.6. So this is the method when we have two diagonals given to the rhombus.